Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can design an invitation card on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Canva and we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to search here invitation card. So I'm going to write the invitation. So you have to write the same way and then we have to press the enter. And after that, as you can see, you will get a lot of templates here. Now we have to choose that which template you want. The invitation, different types of invitations are provided here, like the birthday invitation or the wedding or the meeting. Every option is provided here. For example, I'm going to click on this grand opening invitation and you will get the suggestions according here. For example, let's choose, we are going to open this one here. And now we have to click on this customize this template here and we will be redirected to the editing mode. Now simply if you want to change the color, you can also do that. Each and every setting is provided here. For example, I'm going to click on the red color here and now I want to black one here. So as you can see, the color will be changed here. If you want to change a different color, you can also do that. And if you want to change this color, you can also do that. If you want to change the font style, we have to go to the fonts here. As you can see, different types of fonts are provided here. If you want to change the font of this one, you can also do that. Simply we have to go to this option. As you can see, the font is again changed. If you want to reduce the size, you can also reduce the size. You can control each and every setting here. And after that, as you can see, the text and each and every option is provided here. If you want to add a different types of item, you have to go to the elements option and then you have to search that what you want to add. You can add anything related to that. As you can see, for example, I want to add this one here. You can add this wherever you want. For example, I'm going to move this here, and as you can see, we can add this here wherever you want. And after that, simply after doing these all changes, we have to go to the share and then we have to click on the download. And after clicking on the download, we have to choose the format, that in which format you want, and then we have to hit the download. And after that, our invitation card will be ready to use. So in this way, you can design your invitation card on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.